Do you want to learn some cool things that you can do on Canva to really upgrade your covers and your interiors? Well, I'm going to show you some fun and cool effects on Canva that you can do that are really easy, but that can really up your game on Canva to really improve your covers and interiors. Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I am here to tell you about these great things you can do on Canva. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to learn more tips and tricks for Canva, if you want to learn how to make money online and how to publish low content books. I'm your girl. All right, let's get right into it. I wanted to show you some cool ones. So the first thing is I just have a cover set up here, and these are kind of some of the elements I'm going to work with. So, it's pretty boring, but I can definitely, make this pop more. So let me show you some fun effects. This one you may not be aware of. What you can do is go into Elements and type in Gradient. I have it typed in here. And what you can do is you can pick this one right here. There's probably a few others, but this one, what's special about it is we're going to put it here and go all the way across here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to send it all the way to the back, so it's our cover. But what's special about it is we can change these. And I'm going to kind of do some sort of like red. I'm going to change this to pink and let's see, white. I don't like white. We're going to go with the lighter pink. And I'm going to change this red to kind of a different shade of red. Let's see if I can find the red I'm looking for. That's maybe too bright. But something like that. I kind of like that. And then I'm going to change this one actually to that same. So we've got kind of a light in the middle but darks on the edges. So that kind of can make your cover pop. Instead of just having a boring one color, you can add a little bit of gradient to it. Even if the color change is mild, it might add some interest. All right. So let's jazz up this text a little bit, and you have some cool text effects at your disposal. You can curve the text, and you can change the curve, like something like this maybe. Okay, and then this is one I really like to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually hit Control-C, copy, Control-V, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to put it right on top, maybe. I'm going to use my arrow keys, see if I can, get it right on there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Effects, and I'm going to do this hollow. And I'm going to change the color of the text right here to something a little bit, see, the red doesn't work, maybe white, right? There we go. That's kind of fun. And it makes it stand out. So I might not curve this and do it exactly like this, but you can see that you can play with this and add different effects to it. You can even move it over if that looks good. With this, it wouldn't particularly look good, but this outline effect can be really, really effective, especially, I'm collecting that too. I want to make it like bigger. Sometimes making it bigger really changes how it looks. Let's try it. And we got to get it the same size. Actually, one of the reasons I like to copy is it's really hard to get the same exact size. So I'm just going to do this again. Control-C, Control-V. I'm going to drop it back on there, and you'll see this whole thing again. Hollow, and I'm going to go over here to white again. Yeah, that looks better, bigger. Sometimes at little it doesn't work because it doesn't highlight it as well. Now, I wanted to show you another really cool effect that I think is fun. What you can do is you can kind of highlight or shadow. There's different things you can do on here in Edit Image. You can add shadows, glow, curved, angle, drop. And there's different things you can do, like a drop shadow. But let's say I want to do something a little different. There's a few ways you can do like a whole white outline. So let me take off the drop shadow and actually put glow. And you can change your colors to be white, keep your blur down to like 1, change your transparency, and then can have kind of an outline. This might look too fuzzy for you. If you don't like the fuzzy look, there is another way to do this. So let's go back and put none, and let me show you another effect you can do. So you can go over to click on that, and then you can edit the image, and we're going to try duotone. If you can't see it like scrolling down, just type in duotone, and it's this one right here. And you could, what you're going to do real quick though is Control C, Control V. So we have two of them. And I'm actually going to apply the duotone to the one on top. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pick any of them and then go to the controls here, and I'm going to set them both highlights and shadows white. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it just bigger, and then I'm going to send it backward. Okay, it's got sent backward, and then you can play with it so that you can make the outline look right to you. Like you could offset it like this, or you could have it go all the way around like that. It's just what you want and what works for you, and you can just adjust it. Maybe that's too much. But anyway, you can play with it and see what looks good. But this is kind of a fun, actually I really like it like that. It's got kind of a fuzzy look around it, and it gives it kind of a shaggy look. And I really like adding texture and interest to my graphics to really make something pop. So those are a few ideas. Gradients, play with text effects, apply different texts on top of each other, see what you can do with that, play with shading, play with shadows, add drop shadows, or try this duotone. There's different things you can do to definitely make your books stand out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.